Hello everyone, a very good morning to you. Welcome to today's edition of the Bottomline. Here are the top headlines. Meghalaya's living root bridges included on tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. March 28, 2022 becomes the busiest day ever at Srinagar Airport. Leeds Bradford seeks to become drone hub. Ryanair inaugurates new base at Newcastle Airport. New leadership for Radisson Hotel Group in Africa. France to launch new promotional campaign in April, introduce e-learning program for international tour operators. The famous living root bridges found in Meghalaya state have been included on the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. As per the reports, the Meghalaya Chief Minister had pitched the UNESCO recognition of the bridges on January 21, 2022, when the hill state marked its 50th year of creation. Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma took to Twitter to announce this and stated that he's thrilled to mention that Living Root Bridge cultural landscape of Meghalaya has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites tentative list. March 28, 2022 marked the busiest day in the history of Srinagar International Airport after 90 flights carrying 15,014 passengers travelled in and out of the capital city of Kashmir. According to an airport spokesperson, 45 flights carrying 7,824 passengers landed at the airport and 45 departed carrying 7,190 passengers to various destinations. A spokesperson of Sheikhul Alam International Airport, commonly known as Srinagar Airport, took to Twitter and tweeted, "We handled 45 arriving flights with 7,824 passengers and 45 departing flights with 7,190 passengers on March 28th. Leeds Bradford Airport and a new transport and logistic infrastructure startup have joined to collaborate on developing a new unmanned and manned aerial vehicle hub." Charles Johnson, head of planning development at LBA, said, "This collaboration signifies an exciting development for the airport and highlights the ability of Yorkshire to lead on innovative infrastructure solutions." That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Thank you for joining us. For more such travel industry updates, stay tuned to tomorrow. Have a great day ahead.